So what is an AI workforce really? Let's break it down together in about 60 seconds.
Okay, so I want you to picture this. Have you ever wondered how a fancy restaurant kitchen can pump out a super complex 5-course meal? It's pretty amazing, right? Well, that's kind of the perfect way to think about an AI workforce. It's basically a digital kitchen crew. And just like in a real kitchen, the secret ingredient, it's all about teamwork. Yep, you heard that right. An AI workforce is just like that kitchen crew, but they're not making food, they're tackling big digital jobs. So let's meet the team, shall we? Who are these digital chefs? In the world of AI, every single worker has their own special skill. These individual digital workers are called AI agents. And think about it. Just like you've got a grill chef who's a master of steaks and a pastry chef who nails dessert, each AI agent is a total specialist. You might have one that just does research, another one that's a genius at writing code, and maybe another one that handles all the emails. Everyone has their job.
All right, so how does this whole team actually work? How do you put all those different pieces together? Well, it's simpler than you might think.
It's really a 3-step process. First up, you recruit your AI agents, your chefs. Then you've got to give them the right tools, right? Like giving them access to Google Search or Salesforce so they can do their job. And finally, you let them work together inside a system that helps them coordinate. That's the multi-agent system part. And this is really the key. A single agent, no matter how good it is, can't tackle a huge job all by itself. I mean, one chef isn't going to cook an entire banquet, right? It's just not possible.
So let's zoom out. What's the big picture here? Why does any of this even matter?
At the end of the day, an AI workforce is pretty simple. It's a team of specialized AI agents. They're using the right tools, and they're all collaborating to solve really complex problems. That's it. So, now I've got to ask you, if you had your own personal AI crew, what's the first big task you'd give them to solve? Something to think about, right?